Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. So I'm going to be taking you through another of my experience doing the IT. So this is when they were called to come and help. Someone called us to come help them fix their gen their diesel generator. So and it actually took us a long journey. So this is a video. I'm going to show you a video of our journey, how it was like. So for those of you that are from this area in Ife, so such just in case it's been a while since you went back home, to Ife. So this should just help you to remember have those memories of when you were still there. So I just want to show you some of the things how the journey was like actually in this video. So the place we are going to is called Moro. I'm not familiar with that place. I'm not familiar with this area at all. So just in case you know some of these areas, you can just let me know in the comment section some of the areas here that you know, because I actually do not know anywhere at all in this area. I don't know anywhere. So if you have an idea, if you've been here before, so let me just in the comment section. So it was a wonderful journey, and it took us several minutes actually. It's not up to an hour, but it took us several minutes. Ife, the University of Obafemi Awolowo University. So for those of you that have been there before, or if you are schooling there, so that's Obafemi Awolowo University. That's their gate. So we just passed there, and so I think I recognize that place because I can actually recognize that place because I've been there a couple of times before. So that's one of the places that I can actually still know. Alright, so I think we are heading towards some policemen. Their road safety. So this is what their uniform looks like. Road safety in Nigeria. As they are those in charge of checking vehicles, checking for papers and so on. right now we are approaching some policemen and VIOs. So you see, right. Well, guys, we eventually arrived at the location where we wanted to go and do the walk, and right now we're in the compound, and so we are heading towards the generator. So here is what it looks like. That's what was faulty in the gen. Uh, the engine block actually. The engine knocked and it made a hole on the block. So I'm going to try to camera video that part so that you can see it. So you can see this is the engine block with some parts still attached to it. So like the I think, okay, alright. So you can see. So right. So that's all for now, guys. So I'll be showing you a video of when we returned back there, to actually fix it.